Hi, I'm Rob from Salsify. We're back at the Whiteboard. This is part of our ongoing personalization series. If you haven't seen the overview, I recommend you do that. Today, we're talking about two of the major blockers towards real-time e-commerce personalization in the age of AI. Two we're talking about are performance and strategy. All right, both of these are significant. So starting with real-time performance, in the 2000s, I worked for an e-commerce search company called Endeca Technologies. Endeca powered the search for Walmart, Target, Home Depot, others. And one of the things that we knew is that every 100 milliseconds of additional load time on an e-commerce page changed the conversion rate. 100 milliseconds, right? You'd think that it wouldn't matter for humans, but man, humans are impatient. So the latency that it takes to return an e-commerce experience does matter. People will close their browser, they'll go somewhere else, they get frustrated. Right now, when you use generative AI tools that are just, you're seeing them think on the fly, you're actually literally seeing the text flow through the screen. We're not talking like hundreds of milliseconds in order to get a response back. We're talking about way more. So if you're looking to generate content on the fly for a personalized shopping experience, and you're looking at what the speed is of Gen AI today, it's not gonna work. You gotta do something else. You probably need to cache everything ahead of time. So if you're a retailer, you can think at the limit, I am going to create a different website almost for every single shopper who might visit my website, right? In the US, maybe a couple 100 million versions of the website. You don't necessarily have to go all that way. Maybe you could create 500 or 1,000 micro demographics, and each of those could be a cache different experience. Maybe you only do it for the top products, but I mean, you see what I'm talking about here. In order to come over the latency issues, you'd have to pre-generate a lot of additional content. And that is going to be a huge challenge on the scalability of your infrastructure. Because now, instead of serving one version of content, you might be hosting across all of your storage a whole different set of content. And then on the fly, the system is going to have to decide which of them it's going to be showing each individual shopper. That's going to be a challenge. We don't really have the infrastructure to do that today. It's also going to be a challenge to improve over time. With your current e-commerce technologies, you can A/B test. Is this image better? Is that image better? What if I split this two categories apart into four? What if I combine two categories into one? What if I add additional attributes on the page? You can kind of test an A/B testing, all kinds of different little things. And that works because you're getting a volume of views on each of the A and the B versions of what you're testing. If, however, you've got tons of different versions of product already that you're showing people, that really complicates the A/B testing and what you're able to test and the statistics behind it. So how you optimize then over time is a whole other problem. And so these two things kind of conflict on some basic level in terms of long-term improvement. And finding a balance between those things, I think, is going to be tough for companies. Moving on, I think the strategic question, though, is the biggest one. This is going to touch almost every part of an organization to do e-commerce at scale. We talked about data silos, for example, in another video. We've talked about bringing all of the different processes together. I think that this is going to be a huge issue, right? And once you decide to do personalization, how many different departments have to be involved? How many different systems from those departments have to be involved? How much investment are you going to need? Even if you want to do it, there's, the lawyers are going to have to get involved, which is not usual for e-commerce, because different regions have very different rules and regulations around what personalized data you can even use. So I think in the US, for example, you're going to be able to go further down the truly personalized shopping experience route. In Europe, you're not going to be able to go as far, right? And even within the US, you've got different states that are kind of testing out different privacy laws over time. And so who knows where this is going to land. I also think that there's questions around how you actually want to do personalization. So I've talked to very large retailers who want to do what I said at first, which is create almost a totally different site experience for every single shopper. That's a big vision, right? And that's a very specific vision. I've talked to other retailers that say, well, we used to have a couple or a few different demographics that we would market to. Now we want to get 1,000 demographics that are tighter, right? That's another kind of vision and another kind of strategy. There's a spectrum of personalization, and just deciding what you're going to go on and sticking with it for a long time is going to require organizational decisions. there's also, how do you bring all this stuff together? I mean, we talked about on the previous slide that organization bottlenecks are going to be an issue. Think about how long we've been trying to figure out where e-commerce even fits within a manufacturing company, right? Or like you look at the large e-commerce retailers, they have site merchants, then they don't have site merchants. They merge the site merchant team into the regular merchant team. You know, it's just the fact that you're selling in stores and you're selling online and they're both completely different people, process, technology stacks, but you kind of want them to work together. You know, that's still something that I don't think every single company has nailed, right? And now all of a sudden you want to add this additional really high complicated goal of personalization on top of it. Man, I don't know. This is going to really stress how companies organize. And man, companies are already struggling to hire people that are good at digital, let alone really good at AI, let alone, you know what I mean? So finding people that can do all this sort of stuff is going to be really, really hard. So of all of the bottlenecks, I think that this is the toughest one. The organizational strategy and the organizational execution complexity. Even if you solve the data silos, even if you solve the real-time performance, even if you solve creativity at scale, you're still going to have the organizational issues on making it all real. So personally, I think it's going to be quite a while before we see truly personalized shopping at scale in an e-commerce experience. What I think is going to happen is you're going to see the big guys kind of chip away at this problem a little bit over time, and it'll open up opportunities for manufacturers to take part in the early stages of personalization as they go. I hope this has been useful. Thank you.